Hello there. Today is the day. Today we are going to Hobbiton, so I'm gonna meet my people of, the tiny ones with second breakfasts. Oh, I'm so excited, you have no idea.
Yeah, so since we're going to Hobbiton, I just thought I will turn on both of the cameras so we can see how it looks like once we approach it, and also that here you can see my reaction because I'm a nerd. I may just lose it. Our tour is at 9 a.m. and it's just 8 a.m. so we're gonna still have an hour to do whatever. Jesus Christ, and those cars that they leave after the thing, really scary. Because I'm always thinking like, oh my god, did something happen to someone? And then I see this police thing. I'm like, oh.
Turn left, then your destination will be on the left.
It's here. Just right here.
Okay, so this happened again. I was like, okay, so I have the reservation at this and this day, and they're like, that was in December. So I got a new ticket, so no problem. Thank you very much, Maggie, for doing this for me. Otherwise, I had a little heart attack, because this happened so many times already that I'm clicking something and then it books on a different day, kind of. So yeah, still going. We're happy, and we're starting with the first tour of the day. So that's exciting. A little bit earlier, so no more waiting. And then I think we're gonna finish in the store that I'm standing in front of right now. But anyway, let's go and see Hobbiton. Let's be serious about one thing. This was one of the ultimate dreams, and I had the time of my life. I'm going on an adventure! I'm totally going on an adventure now. Look, it's a me in my land of hobbits. We're in Hobbiton. Look at that. Stroll on holiday! You go over.
Start over.
Slowly walk under the next person. Over. There we go. Under. Over. Under. It's looking good, guys. Keep going. Over. And under. Lovely. Nice. We're almost there, guys. That's beautiful. All right. Can we give a round of applause, please? I think that was beautiful. Very nice. Yes. Seeing Hobbiton Village, especially at the first tour, meant that at one point the village was 100% for us. All the details, stories and excitement were bubbling out. While most of the houses are empty and cannot be entered, there was a special treat. Then we obviously finished in the Green Dragon. Dreams do come true. We are in a Green Dragon and we have some ginger ale because we're driving. And I also have a really beautiful pie as well as a muffin. Although muffin is for the later because I just felt like I will need it later. Anyway, so it's gonna be better because it's from the Green Dragon, So let's give a try to the pie. It looks delicious, it smells delicious. And it's delicious. Okay, if I was a hobbit, I would be here every day. And to be fair, that was the end. I have later visited my friend Bruce, who lives in the area, and then just went back to my place to process the entire experience. I won't lie, I was overwhelmed, and I needed to be ready for the next day.